Hello, welcome back to Simple Learning. Today we are going to explore a clever way to talk about the future using the present continuous tense. You might know that we typically use will or going to talk about future plans. But did you know that the present continuous tense can also be used to express simple future? For example, I am meeting my friend tomorrow. She is attending the conference next week. They are launching their new product soon. So, when we use the present continuous tense to talk about the future, we are emphasizing that something is already planned or scheduled. It's like saying, I have got this on my calendar. So, when can you use the present continuous tense to talk about the future? Here are some situations. Use it for planned events or appointments. Use it for scheduled travel or meetings. And use it for expected events. Again, notice these examples. I am not attending the party tonight. She is not giving a presentation tomorrow. They are not releasing a new album this year. So remember, you can also use the present continuous tense to talk about things that are not happening in the future. So, there you have it. Using the present continuous tense to talk about the future is a great way to sound more natural and fluent in English. Give it a try and let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or topics you would like to explore, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more grammar content.